Tenschul liquid vending machines for sustainable packaging solutions. My name is Usnobu Peter Eze. I'm a student of University of Hertfordshire, MSc Environmental Management. This presentation is brought to you by Green Evolution. Tenschul is a sustainability-driven organization, addresses plastic pollution by reusing plastic packaging, aiming for a sustainable future. Over the years, plastic waste has become a global concern, from its manufacturing stage to its disposal. A lot of this plastic waste end up in the ocean and others are not properly disposed, thereby causing catastrophic impact on the ecosystem. This is the reason for the invention of the liquid vending machine. Business case. Tenschul's liquid vending machine offers a revenue sharing model where profits are generated through refill transaction. The liquid vending machine is user-friendly. It has 4 stages of operation. You load a bottle, select a product, make payment, and collect the bottle. This is usually within 20 seconds. Through reuse, there is reduction in the demand for new plastic production. This reduces cost and also diminishes environmental impact. Financial analysis, income, profit, and cost. I'll be making this illustration from the sales of 500 ml of shampoo using the traditional method against the Tenschul's liquid vending machine. From this analysis, the manufacturer benefits from reduced packaging cost, focusing solely on product production, while the retailer stands a chance of making more profit from adaptation of this machine. The consumer, on the other hand, stand a chance of buying this product at a cheaper rate.
My name is Maria Titilayo Adebayo. Risk assessment. We have the consumer acceptance risk, we have the technological risk, and the supply chain risk. Consumers may not readily adopt potential refillable liquid vending machines due to habit persistence or concern about hygiene and convenience. Mitigation. Invest in marketing campaigns showcasing environmental and cost-saving benefit of vending machines. Prioritize cleanliness and user-friendliness for consumer trust and acceptance. Technological risk. Tension's liquid vending machines rely on technology for operations. Technical failures, cybersecurity threats, or compatibility issues could disrupt service and impact revenue. Mitigation. Establish backup suppliers, maintain strategic plastic packaging stockpiles, and foster long-term supplier partnership to mitigate risk. Supply chain risk. Tension heavily relies on a steady supply of plastics packaging by consumers for its refillable liquid vending machines. Any disruption or shortage in the supply chain could hinder operations and affect profitability. Establish mitigation. Establish backup suppliers, maintain strategic plastic packaging, and foster long-term supply partnership to mitigate risk. Environmental benefits: plastic waste reduction, promote circular economy, energy savings, reduce carbon footprint. Plastic waste reduction: reusing plastic packaging reduces the needs of new plastic production. This reduction in plastic waste contributes to the preservation of ecosystem and protection of wildlife habitats. Promote circular economy: promotes a circular economy by extending the life cycle of plastic materials, encouraging reuse and recycling, minimizing waste, and fostering sustainable consumption and production. Energy savings: Tension's reuse of plastic packaging in their vending machines saves energy and reduces greenhouse gas emissions compared to producing new plastic. Reduce carbon footprint: Tension's reuse of plastic packaging in vending machines cuts carbon emissions by avoiding the production and transportation of new plastic.
My name is Satish Bakatatla and here I am going to explaining the few slides such as management idea for collaboration and establish goals and expectation, and finally faster open communication and trust. The first pathway is management idea for collaboration. This collaboration of the brand is necessary in the upcoming 3 years. It will collaborating with the dealers, cross-functional team and like-minded administration will make them sustainability. It will involvement within the community. It helps to raise awareness of the plastic pollution. These plastic pollution to create the plan, collaborative and deliver. This plan is which is complicating the data items, collaboratives which is implicating the daily reviews, plan and collaborative to transform the data of the deliver of this organization. Establish goals and expectation, sustainable innovation and responsibilities. These responsibilities mostly implicating the PSS, which means product service system. The system of the partnership for network operation to set up the scale up plans and technical and business model innovations. Develop a collaborative culture to supporting the organization to recourses. And finally, faster open communication and trust. This open communication matters to complicating the conflict with the partners. It consistency in action to take the create a safe environment, encourage innovation and creativity. Here I mentioned a five key element points of this communication and trust. Building the trust and open communication. The first example of this communication, leading by example and create a safe space and building relationship and providing regular feedback and finally encourage collaboration. These five key element points which is most important of the open communication and trust and as well as collaboration of this organization.
I'm Tenschul, and here is my part. Uh, Evaluate and optimize a relationship with partners. It contains four parts through which I will describe it. First one is establish key performance indicators, and the next one is regular performance review. The third point is adaptability to changing circumstances, and the last one is related to assessment, risk assessment and mitigation. Here are some points are mentioned in the figure, which we can see that define your objectives and needs, research potential partners, evaluate compatibility and synergy, case studies and success stories, build relationships, start small and test the water. So these are all points regarding to the evaluate and optimize relationship with the partners. Let's move to the next slides. It's a conclusion. It contains 3 points. First one is making an effective proposal of the business case enables the company to be more powerful in the market. The second point is this has also helped reduce pollution by promoting themselves. The third point is plans for the 3 years will help them to be sustainable and profitable. Okay, let's move to the next. This slide include the references which indicates the sources of information which we use to get all of this information regarding our topic. Thank you very much. That's